guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair mask. So I wanted to do show you guys what I do for my hair for a while now. So yeah, I'm just getting around to it after watching enough hair tutorials on how to manage or take care of or treat natural hair. I have finally found something or a formula that works for me. So anyways, let's start. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to need is avocado, which I have here. I just used one whole avocado. I pureed or mashed it up. You can choose to use a blender for this, but I won't lie to you, there is no light and I don't have strength to on my generator. So yeah, so just pureed or mashed avocado here. So next up, you're going to also need some honey. Any natural honey will do. Then I have some eucalyptus oil here. If you have peppermint oil, that works fine. Some coconut oil, some extra virgin cocoa or 100% virgin coconut oil. I also have here some bama, some mayonnaise, and I have some eggs. So I'm going to use 1 full egg and 2 egg yolks for this mask. So yeah, so going in with my first egg.
Seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
So these are the egg whites. So I have the 2 egg yolks here.
Go on pizza. They just don't belong.
So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey into this 1 and 2. So now I'm just going to add this oil. This is the Elle Glitters Hair Wonder Natural Oil, and it says it's made with 100% African natural oil. So it has shea butter, neem leaf oil, curry leaf oil, coconut oil, moringa leaf oil, castor oil, and olive oil. So I'm just going to add a tablespoon of this oil. Then I'm going to also add a tablespoon of this coconut oil.
Seen before when you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't.
So now I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise into this.
Don't belong.
So last but not the least, I'm just going to add my eucalyptus oil to get your scalp tingling. So if you don't have eucalyptus oil, you can also use peppermint oil, just anything that will just get your scalp tingly, and yeah. So I'm just taking a cupful of peppermint oil and just that. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, it's now time to apply the hair mask. Okay guys, so I am going to be applying the hair mask on my hair right now. So my hair is quite dry. I actually washed the hair. It's always good if you're applying hair mask, actually apply the hair mask on clean hair. So I just washed it once the day before, and this is the next day. My hair was somewhat clean, yeah, and
Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. They just
so I'm just applying the hair mask thoroughly into my entire hair, and I'm massaging it into my scalp, like really massaging into my scalp, so the hair mask is evenly distributed all over my hair and scalp. Guys, I won't lie, the massage felt really really good. Like, it felt so good doing the massage on myself. But anyways, once I have thoroughly massaged the hair mask into my hair and I am satisfied, I'm going to take this cling film. Yeah, I'm going to take this cling film paper, and I'm just going to wrap my hair in it. If you have a shower cap, you can put your hair in a shower cap, whatever kind of insulator, anything that will just provide heat. Yeah, you can do that. But this was what I had at hand, so I wrapped my entire hair in the cling film, and yeah.
it's a fruit and you know that.
So I'm going to leave the mask on for 30 minutes, but in the last 5 minutes of that 30 minutes, I'm going to just take my blow dryer, and I'm just going to blow dry on the hair, just to kind of create some form of heat, then allow like some of the product, like to open my pores and allow some of the oils and all that to just like seep in for 5 minutes. Then once I am done with that, I am just going to take off the wrap, head off to the bathroom, and wash all this gunk off my hair. But guys, like, when I took off that cling film, oh my goodness, like my hair felt really really soft, really really moisturized. Like, it felt like felt really really good.
Kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen.
So anyways, I'm just going to like quickly wash off this mask off my hair.
Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza.
So to shampoo my hair, I'm using this L Glitters natural hair shampoo. Like, guys, this, ever since I started using this shampoo, I have noticed a considerable amount of difference, like in my hair. Like, my hair feels so moisturized. I have really really like coarse hair. Like, my natural hair is kind of coarse, but ever since I started using this shampoo, like, in fact, ever since I started using this hairline, my hair has really improved. And yeah, so I'm going to use the shampoo and wash it. And one thing I like about this shampoo is, once you use it, you don't need to condition your hair. So basically, even if you don't do this hair mask, you don't even need to condition your hair. So basically, you just wash the hair. It has natural oils in it, which is like, I'm gonna do a review, a separate review, like on this like hair care hairline product for you guys. So but anyways, yeah, so once I am done shampooing, I'm going to just comb out my hair, like detangle my hair. I did that off camera. So after detangling my hair, I'm taking that same oil, the L Glitters oil. I'm just putting it in a spray bottle with water, and I'm just going to spray to kind of moisturize my hair to give it that softness.
Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. They just don't belong.
the moisture into my hair, I'm going to be using the hair cream. This is the L Glitters moisturizing hair cream. Like guys, this hair cream smells so good. It smells amazing. Anyways, I'm just going to use that to like seal in all the moisture in my hair. And yeah, I didn't show you guys, but usually when I'm done with all this, I just basically braid down my hair, except maybe if I'm doing like a protective, like if I'm doing like braids or whatnot, then I will go ahead. But I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to braid, or I braided my hair down after all this. So guys, this is my hair mask. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you get to try it, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace and love. Bye guys.